This is a little tiny baby tripod, super, super cute. And then this, of course, is the telescope itself. If you've never used a tripod before, they're really easy to do. They open and close very easily. You just press this down. Don't press too hard. You don't want to break it, but it's pretty easy to do. And then this is the tube bracket. You're going to want to place the lens part going out. It just snaps right into place. And then this moves so that you can adjust it. It goes side to side and up and down. Very movable. If you loosen these, it gives it a little more movement. If you want to lock it into place so that it doesn't get bumped, just tighten it. These are just to keep your lens from getting dusty. I would keep these on hand if it were me, so that when you're not using it, you can keep the lens from, dust will just fly. They're like magnets. Dust will just fly in there and they're very hard to get clean. If you do need to clean these, don't touch it with your fingers or really even a lens cloth. My suggestion is to get one of those little puffy things that you can get for keyboards and just puff the dirt out of it. That is really the best way to take care of these lenses. So keep that handy and don't lose it. And then this is so you can see it in a comfortable position. This also comes with a cover. Keep your cover handy. It slides right in there. You loosen this little tiny knob, slide that in, and then tighten the knob back up. And that'll keep it in place. And then even this can be adjusted. If you loosen it, you can, maybe if you want to sit like this, that's there for adjustment. So everywhere is a way to adjust. Take this off the eyepiece and again, set these somewhere where you can find them. You don't want to lose them. You want to keep all your eyepieces clean and dust free. Inside of these are filters. This is something that you definitely want to keep the pieces to. This will protect the lenses and keep them from getting scratched up, and more importantly, keep them from getting dusty. This is a moon lens. It is made so that you can get a better look at the moon and the craters on the moon, and just drop that in there and keep it safe. This one is a 4mm, and then here we have a longer 20mm. And these are going to be able to help you see further or closer into the night sky. The eyepieces go into this top part, and once again, you take your screw and you tighten it to keep it from coming out. If you'd like to use the moon filter, it screws right on the end there. And then again, drop it inside, tighten your screw. Now to get started, we're going to follow what the instructions say about how to get it set up the first time you use it. So you can just follow along and it'll be a lot easier. If you have any questions, I can help you with that. We're going to start by putting in the 20mm. We're going to get my son to go lay over there in the grass. It's about 300 feet away is what they say. You want to loosen these up because you're going to want to be able to adjust it easily. Just going to loosen these on both sides. There's also a knob on this side. Okay, let's see if we can find him. Got the trees, everything's upside down. So it actually is very hard to locate things when you're looking at it backwards and upside down. Move your hands, Crosby. That might help me. Found where the grass meets the road, and not Crosby. Does it look like I'm going the right way or the wrong way? Those are trees. There's ground. Wait a minute. I found him! I found him! As soon as you find him, lock it into place. Don't move, Crosby. Tighten it up so that you don't lose him. We had fun finding each other across the yard. Once you get that all set up, then you can have it ready to go in the night sky. We tried to see the moon, but it's a little too bright out, and maybe the moon's not where we are right now. I know it's the middle of the day, but you could sometimes see the moon in the middle of the day. It actually has a really far focal length. Remember that it's upside down, so you're going to see things inverted. This isn't the most high-powered tool, but it is a great beginner tool for someone who's just learning about the night sky. You can get a little star chart and have them bring it outside and look for the star chart. You can also just get an app that has stars on it, but definitely have something because it'll make it a little more fun. Also, they can learn a lot about physics and not just astronomy based upon learning how to use the mirror, the focal length, and the different dimensions. So it's a really great science activity for learning several different things, but especially learning astronomy. Anytime you're going to have your kids up late at night doing something fun, have some hot cocoa, throw some blankets out, and come outside and see the night sky. If you're not subscribed to my channel, this is the time to subscribe. We try to find fun science activities for our own family and share it with you. So if you find that interesting, or if you're just looking for some enrichment this summer, I have some more stuff coming up real soon. I'll have this link for you below. I'll link the playlist for our other science activities. If you decide to get a super powerful telescope, my son wants me to remind you that you could set the world on fire with it. This actually could start a fire too. See you real soon. Yes, it actually can. What?